Yeah.
Vermont National Guard. Private Blagoche Trajkovsky.
Appreciated because your efforts facilitate the success of this partnership. After 28 years, thanks again. We got a couple more days to keep you busy.